Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Hi there, I'm Kyle, Senior Build Educator at KidCraft with some insider assembly tips for your KidCraft products. This is Crafting with Kyle. At KidCraft, we pack our products pretty tight to make shipping easy and inexpensive, but that also means that they can look pretty intimidating out of the box. But don't worry, today we have a few general tips to make life a little easier on you. Now before you start assembling the item, remember to completely remove all the parts from the box and lay them out, and check them versus the inventory list to make sure that you have everything that you need. Use the top of the box to put the styrofoam and other packing material into. Also remember to check all the small boxes and furniture to ensure that there's no parts packed inside to save space. Now your assembly instructions include a batch code here. Now this is your lifeline when you call customer service to reference your product. Now you're going to need this number, so do not lose it. Now we suggest that you don't fully tighten these screws or bolts until you've completely assembled the item. This allows for an easier alignment of parts as well as to backtrack if you've made a mistake. Now we suggest to never use power tools. They can easily strip or crack your product, and that is bad. Now some of these screws are a little difficult to insert into the wood, but if you take just the very tip of it and dip it into dishwashing liquid, it'll be a lot easier to get in. Now remember, these are just some general assembly tips. Every KidCraft product is unique, so subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips. And to find more out about KidCraft, browse our full line of products, visit kidcraft.com. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it and share it. Or, better yet, just tell us of your KidCraft experience in the comments below. Watch out for the rest of our assembly series, and until next time, this is Kyle signing off. And as always, stay crafty.
Six-pack assorted colors, made of 70% cellulose and 30% cotton. This makes the dishcloth 100% biodegradable and compostable. Holds up to 20x its own weight in water. Cleans almost every surface. Kitchens, bathrooms, offices, countertops, windows, furniture and plants. Perfect for wet dusting, and it leaves a streak-free surface. No more disposable paper towels, wipes or dish rags. Each hand towel will last at least 8 weeks and can be washed up to 200 times. Each pack of reusable Swedish dishcloths saves you up to 15 rolls of paper towel. The CCE dishcloth does the job and can be used over and over again. CCE kitchen towels are the obvious choice for your wallet and the environment. Clean sponge cloths in dishwasher and washing machine, safe for repeated use. Soft to the touch, resistant to odor, durable, and safe washing machine make our Swedish washcloths the best dish towels for your kitchen.
Okay, I want to introduce you grease container. It consists of a plate, a pot, a lid, and a mesh strainer, which helps you to remove small particles from the oil.
Our large and deep kitchen sponge holder provides enough space for your dishwashing accessories like sponges, brush scrubbers, and liquid soap dispensers. It's perfect for holding soap and other kitchen sink items. Being a handy countertop tray, the sink organizer keeps things in an easily accessible place. The sink sponge holder protects the sink area from soap scum and water and helps keep sponges off the counter that are wet. The sink tray is made of a flexible, heat-resistant silicone. FDA-approved antibacterial and antimicrobial sponge tray keeps your family safe. It's easy to wash by hand with liquid soap and brush under warm water. The sponge holder is part of the Step Kitchen Counter Organizer collection by Good to Good. The extra-large silicone dish drying mat with its widespread surface is a perfect placement for washed cups, pans, plates, bottles, and all other kitchen utensils. The high edges and waterproof bottom of the drying mat collect drained water and keep kitchen countertops clean and dry. Its inner high ridges provide better air circulation for drying dishes fast. Use the silicone sponge holder with the silicone dish drying mat by Good to Good, and your countertop will always boast of neatness and cleanliness.